Welcome to the spoken tutorial on logical operators in Java. In this tutorial, you will learn about the logical operators, how to check for multiple expressions using logical operators, and how to override precedence using parentheses. For this tutorial, we are using Ubuntu 11.10, JDK 1.6, and Eclipse 3.7. To follow this tutorial, you should have knowledge on relational operators in Java. If not, for relevant tutorials, please visit our website as shown. Logical operators are used to check for multiple conditions. Here is a list of the available logical operators in Java. And, or, not. We shall look into each of them in detail. Switch to Eclipse. Here we have the Eclipse IDE and the skeleton required for the rest of the code. We have created a class logical operators and added the main method. Let us create some variables. Boolean B. We shall store the result of conditions in B. Int age equal to 11. Int weight equal to 42. We have the age and weight of a person. We shall check if the person is below 18 years of age and is at least 40 kgs. Let us see how to do so. B equal to age less than 18 ampersand ampersand weight greater than or equal to 40. This statement has two expressions and a double ampersand symbol in between. It checks if age is less than 18 and also if weight is greater than or equal to 40. This operation is called the AND operation. Let us now print the value of B. System.out.println B. Save and run. As we can see, the output is true because both the conditions are satisfied. Now let us change the weight so that one condition is not satisfied and rerun the code. Change 42 to 32. Save and run. The output now is false. This is because the condition age less than 18 is satisfied, but the condition weight greater than or equal to 40 is not satisfied. The AND operation requires both the conditions to be true for the result to be true. Therefore, we get false as our output. This way, using a double ampersand symbol, we can perform an AND operation. Let us say we have the age and weight and it is enough if only one of the conditions is satisfied. In other words, we need to see if the first condition or the second condition is true. It is done using the OR operation. Let us first remove the earlier condition and type age less than or equal to 15 pipe weight less than or equal to 30. There are two conditions and a double pipe symbol in between. This statement checks if at least one of the given two conditions is satisfied. Let us run the code to see the output. Save and run. We see that the output is true. This is because an OR operation does not need both the conditions to be true like the AND operation. It needs at least one condition to be true. So, although the condition for the weight is not satisfied, since the condition for age is satisfied, we get the output as true. Now let us change the age in such a way that both the conditions are false and see the result. Change 11 to 17, save and run. Now the output is false because both the conditions are not satisfied. This way, we use a double pipe symbol to do an OR operation. Now let us say we need to check for people who are older than 15 and with weight more than 30 kilos. In other words, we need to check the exact opposite of the condition we just did. In such situations, we use the NOT operation. First, enclose the condition in parentheses. And add an exclamation mark before the condition. By using an exclamation mark, we check for the exact opposite of the condition inside the parenthesis. Since the earlier output was false, now it must be true. Let us see. Save and run. As we can see, the output is the opposite of the earlier one. This way, by using the exclamation mark, we perform the NOT operation. Now let us say we want people younger than 15 or people younger than 18 and lighter than 40. Let us see how would we go about this condition. Remove the earlier condition and type age less than 15 or age less than 18 and weight less than 40. As we can see, the condition itself is confusing. Moreover, we do not know if the OR operation will be performed first or the AND operation. It depends on the precedence of operators. In such situations, we use parentheses to override the precedence and also make the condition clear. So let us add parentheses. Let us run the code. Save, run. Now, although the first condition, which is age less than 15, is not satisfied, the second condition, which is age less than 18 and weight less than 40, is satisfied, and therefore the output is true. As a rule, use parentheses to avoid ambiguity and make the expressions clear. And this is how we use logical operators to check for multiple conditions. This brings us to the end of the tutorial. We have learned about the logical operators and how to check for multiple expressions using logical operators and how to override precedence using parentheses. As an assignment for this tutorial, find out if the two expressions shown are equivalent. To know more about the Spoken Tutorial project, watch the video available at the following link. It summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. If you do not have good bandwidth, you can download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops using Spoken Tutorials, gives certificates to those who pass an online test. For more details, please write to contact@spoken-tutorial.org. The Spoken Tutorial project is a part of the Talk to a Teacher project. It is supported by the National Mission on Education through ICT MHRD, Government of India. More information on this mission is available at the following link. This tutorial has been contributed by Talent Sprint. Thanks for joining.